Hello, Mr. Carson. Okay, welcome to class, Melody. Um, well, today we're going to be using our kits. I'm just letting you know. So you might want to set them up when you get a moment and log into the classroom right now with your kit. Reason doing this because we have demonstrations that maybe people can show. Yesterday, I think, I'm not sure, Carson, you might have been able to program yours to light up. I'm not sure. We had to check. And then Melody, I know you have your kit. I think I spoke to was that your father? 'Cause I'm doing a spreadsheet of which students got kits.
Was it a man voice?
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, he.
That was my
Oh,
father.
okay, all right. Well, did he give you your kit or?
No, because my mama just walked out the house and went to school,
Wait,
and I'm kind of like trying to call her right now.
she went to school too.
Yeah, she put it somewhere.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll try to find it because you're gonna need it in a moment. And we're at 6 minutes. Yeah. So let's go through our basics. One is, of course, I didn't mean to do that. Where is that at? Here we go. All right, so one is our norms, right? Let me make sure I save my attendance. I did not. There we go. Okay, so before I get into my spiel, stop this and let's do this. Yeah. All right, so testing things out to make sure you guys are able to see things I'm explaining in advance because I have to use two screens for the kit you got to set up. It's called the demonstration set, and then let in case you can't find you, make this easier on me. So let's start off with our five basic norms. Where are we at? All right, now first in the list, and I'm doing this so that you can see how difficult it is when you only have one. I'm trying to come down to you guys' level and just use one screen. Maybe I don't know how to do all these things. So if you're on your screen, I think Melody, you go first, right? So can you read the first five norms, the five basic norms?
No one has the right to hurt another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that we discredit ourselves, our school, and our family. In Excel Academy itself, as students always act with integrity. We
Mhm.
take pride in Excel Academy itself. If that is so backwards.
Thank you, Miss Terry. Oh, welcome, Alika. Let's see here. That resets it. So Alika has to go next. All right, Alika, can you read the she just came in here. So the five academic norms, Ms. Vernon, can you read that?
We respect opinions of others. We respect the culture of our classroom. We are attentive participants. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for secondary hours.
Thank you. All right. So the policy is you got to keep your camera on. So Melly, you got to eventually turn your camera on when you get a chance. Carson, did you get your screen is black? You must be switching. Yeah, he's okay. Yeah, he's driving. Okay, so I gotta be careful with him. Now, let's take a look at this. Yesterday we discussed, and you'll notice I didn't even put an assignment in there because I'm trying to give people time. But by tomorrow, you'll see due is lab one, lab two, and lab three. All right. Because a lot of people should have been done with this. This is I gave you a script for Recipe Ma name. You still got to do it. The script is like a quiz grade. I keep telling people when you ran that script and you got your sense head to light up like mine's, you come back over here. So you see my screen, I'm gonna pin my screen. I'm trying to show you guys how to use your Google Meet effectively because I see a lot of students didn't know you could switch screens. So now you see what I have set up right now, right? You look at my other screen. Yeah, I can see it on my other TV. So with that said, this is do this. I don't think I was trying to give people yesterday time to figure out where in the script to change things, right? So let me zoom out a little bit. All right. Now, make sure it's in the camera. This is connected to a HDMI TV that I have sitting on a chair because I wanted to have it close. I'm not going to put a whole table right here, and I'm going to be wanting to work out and stuff. So I got to move this stuff easily. And with that, what we was talking about yesterday, let me minimize this. We had what is called Thani, right? Now this is for the bestiary file. And I was like, okay, I didn't tell you where to go. I said, all right, when you get your Python file, which is bestiary.py, you want to make sure that I had to look back and make sure I'm doing it right. You can't really see unless I zoom in. There we go. So you see the coding, right? First word that comes across on the screen is chirp. Okay. And then Frankie, Cody, raspy. That's what you're seeing come across the screen if you get it right. Now, your first goal is to at least change two of these words, right? So, like the first word, I want your first name. Like chirp should be your first name. Frankie, you're going to change that to your last name. And then Cody is just the word of the day. Now, I got to look the word of the day up, but I want you to be on your Raspberry Pi kit so you can do this. And then once you get it all done, you can save it, right? It's grayed out now because the file's already there. I don't know if you can see that. But then you'll be able to run it, and then it should on this little sense hat show what we just typed in, right? So first name, last name, and this is in between characters, right? Okay, so that is in essence what you guys got to do, right? Now there's another program called Trinket. If you don't have your kit, a lot of you never demonstrated if you got your Trinket to work. So you can work on that today because people still haven't turned the code in for that. So I'm gonna switch to my other screen, my laptop screen. This is my Raspberry Pi. Okay, yeah, I want to make sure it's still there for the next period. So in essence, I hope everybody's paying attention. Let me go come out, unpin this. All right, there we go. See everybody again. You want to make sure again you have your kit set up so you can do that. Now each lab is worth 2 assignments. So it's imperative. It is like beyond measure, like that you get your kit and you get these labs done, because February 4th is the last day of quarter 2, and then we'll be starting with quarter 3. Grades will be in the grade book, and then there'll be no can I make up, because it's hard to make up lab kits if you don't do them day by day. That's the problem. So make sure you do that. The other thing was let's see here. Labs. There we go. So in these labs, they have a variety of ways for you to also install I wanted to point this out to you guys. Your recipe mod, and you can go to the teacher's guide. I don't mind. I actually go to GitHub to get all my resources, and we'll talk about that later towards the end of the quarter, which is why you'll see how you get out of your final exams, right? You don't have to worry about the final exams if we get to the more difficult labs later on. Otherwise, you will have to take the paper exam. Well, the paper exam is just you write another Google Doc and handling a bunch of questions, right? So I don't know. You make up your mind which is the easiest route. But this is the teacher's guide, and you can always, if your parents want to look at, what is he doing with you with these kids, you could always share this link. And let me grab this link and put it in here again in case you don't have it. Let's see here. So we got that. Let me just move this out the way because it's bothering me. Yes, I know that. Move away. So this is the first link, right? In this way, so full transparency. I got my camera on. This was recording what we see, and we know when people's cameras not on. Now, I hate to say it, I've had to send out emails to 3 parents of what their children were doing. So I'm not doing it to hurt you. I am doing it to make you a better citizen. It's called accountability. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna try to keep it in this view, even though it's easier on my 2 screens. I think this is more personable where everybody can see everybody. What was I saying? So I got that code next link in there. Definitely click on that and it'll look like what I have here. Now that's the teacher's version. The student version, where you get your labs at, I'm just saying, I'm telling you this just in case you want to get your parents involved or your family members want to, help you with your work, they can. So these 2 are introductory links. Then you have welcome, Raspy Mod, and then Raspy Makeover. You will see in the EDSB tomorrow an assignment due by 8 p.m. for lab 3, and it'll be 1, 2, and 3, all of them, right? But you have to demonstrate them using a small, I don't know, I want to say 2-minute video. If you can record yourself explaining how your kit works. There'll be a demonstration section for Friday where you can demonstrate labs 1, 2, and 3, and you don't have to take the quiz coming up. All right. Let's see here. So I talked about that. Trinket, right? Now this is, I gotta probably resize this so you can see both ends of it. So this is the Python coding simulator. If you don't have your kit quite up yet running, but to date, no one's really shown me if they got the AstroPi to do something. Like, I typed the code in, you still got to run it and make sure you did it right, because you might have typed something wrong line by line by line. Now, where's the walkthrough guide for this? Oh, that's the Raspberry Pi. I'm looking for Trinket. Do I got that going? No. So I got to find the Trinket file. It's okay. I bookmark everything. Un momento, por favor. Go resize it. That's one other big thing you got to do if you're doing this assignment. So I'm going to go to, no, I don't want to go here. I'm going to my bookmarks. And where are we at? There it goes, random sparkles. Okay, so this is the one where you go through and you use the Trinket step-by-step tutorial. So if I go to contents and I come down here to setting pixels at random. Oh, come on, guys, not right now. Go on. All right, so setting pixels at random. And scroll down, and it's like I keep beating this like a dead horse. I was like, I'm gonna have to talk about this all week. I already know it. So the other one on the screen you want to have open is Trinket, and line by line you want to type the code in there. Now, when you're done, you run the program. Now, I'm not done. I'm just running it to see what happens. All right. So you notice it's not going to do it too much because I clicked on it, but I have more lines of code. But I'm just showing you what you would do. View the result is the one I click on, and something should happen over here. All right, but you won't get it until you type in all lines of code. So the next line of code after this one is going to be what? Well, I got the animal part from here. So it's cat, right? And then score was 30. So that's the next line of code I'm going to type. And students are having issues with this. I'm like, why? Is it typing? Let me see here. There we go. Score equals 30. hit enter. And it'll automatically edit it for you too. And notice it turned to blue, which knows it's a variable. And they talk about variables and what they are here, right? Okay. So those are two things that you guys could work on today. If you did, oh, hey, Eli, I didn't see him there. And go back to my attendance now. If you did the sparkles already and you have the source code, you can send that to me. And that's like I said, it was a quiz grade from last week. I mean, not last week, 2 weeks ago that could have been restored. But no one really demonstrated that they did the trinkets. They just said, I got it. I did it. Okay. You didn't come to class and show it. You didn't send me the code. All right. So you gotta prove that out so we can move on. Now, there is one big exit slip for you guys. I'm gonna put that in the chat. This is basically Google or CPS and Google asking you about how the kits are, working out for you. So please, 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 right now for 25 points, which you normally get, is going to be doubled if you can actually, do the word of the day. I'm gonna find that for you guys, but let's put that there. And now what do we have, right? So if we click on this link, everybody should see that link I just put in there. It's a survey. It's your exit slip. If you don't do anything else, you can at least fill that out because each of you got a kit already. And I'm composing a list. So when they have this email come out to show you next projects to do with it, by probably at Q3, you guys are going to want to be knowing what you can take advantage of. And they have conferences and mini scholarships for you guys through Google. I was up all night reading about it. But the first part is you got to get good with your kits and prove, hey, I can. Oh, there's Carson. He popped up. That was quick. There's two Carsons. Okay, so yeah, you must be on your kit and your laptop. Is that what you're doing?
Not my phone.
Oh, okay, okay. So look, when you get a chance, when you click on this, and it'll be this survey, right? So you just click through and answer the questions. Right. This even tells you what they're doing with the kids in terms of you guys. Right. They really want to see if Chicago's the place for Code Next to be. And I'm like, yeah, well, I won't say my students, but our student population can handle it. They can handle it. So let's see. I got to redo attendance because I want to give y'all a chance to either set your kits up. And if anybody need links or the 4-minute video is really helpful. I think Mr. Rush mentioned that. There is an installation process. Like I think you have to update it for an hour or so. So, it won't fully work unless you do update it. And then 2, if you're having problems with your sense head after you do the coding part, make sure your sense head's updated. I've given you guys tons of resources on how to troubleshoot it. I don't know if you remember the troubleshooting guide. If you need that, I can send it again. So Curtis is here. I'm going to go back to this. Okay. Well, it's not letting me scroll down. Okay, expand it. Vernon is here. Yep. Why isn't anything saving? I think it's lagging. I had to contact Kathy and find out what happened to her. Okay, there we go. I'm like, did it save? Yes, it's saved. Okay, I got their attendance correct. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys about 15 minutes to work on any of it, and then I'm gonna be asking for share outs to see how far you've gotten with your kit. And if you don't have your kit, then you should be working on Trinket. If you need like directions on how or links to get back to Trinket, or you get stuck somewhere, connecting up your kit. And if I were you guys, I keep saying this, you need to make sure if you have it, connect your Raspberry Pi to a bigger TV, so you're not,
So wait,
trying to.
what we doing? What we supposed to be doing?
You said what, Carson?
I said what we supposed to be doing.
Oh, were you able to make your Sense hat light up?
Uh-uh.
Excuse me.
Yeah, your excuse. What's going on, Curtis?
No, I had a question. Y'all was talking.
Oh, I didn't know who was talking actually, but okay. Carson, you done? Because I'm gonna jump to Eli now.
No, I was saying. Matter of fact, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, go ahead, Curtis.
All right, Tyler, I got a question. Like on my computer, you finna see. Hold on, let me turn my camera. Like I can't ever join the Zoom meeting from my computer, and I'm signed in on the same email. Like I don't see it, but you go see. Like I need like a code or something.
You say Zoom, bro. No, we on Google, but okay. You sound like some of my past masters. It's the Zoom. No, it's this Google. Let me try to send you another invite. Do you mind putting the email address you want me to use in Edsby, and I can send you another link, or do you want to just put it here in Google Meet? It's up to you how you want to do that.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, I can't even type it in the messages.
Mm.
I mean, in the comment, I can't type.
Oh, that's my fault, huh? Okay, how about that?
Okay.
You able to type now or no?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if you fixed it or not.
So that mean I'm gonna have to. That mean I'm gonna need a code for all my other classes.
Uh, yeah, but I could resend them. It's just yeah. This is a different device, and unless you find that exact email, or did you log into your email to get the link?
Yeah, like I was logging in on my phone, and then when I try to go to my computer from my Gmail, like I was trying to turn my camera, but it wasn't letting me. I got to join
Oh,
it. Like when I pick join the meeting, it's asking for a code. Like on
mm.
my phone, all my classes pop up, and it let me know when they started and all that.
Because you got everything saved on your phone, yeah. But yeah, just type in your email address real quick, and I'll send you another link or another email invitation because we're not supposed to do links anymore, but they're all links in my opinion. Okay, King Curtis.
So wait, I'm confused. How you supposed to be doing this again?
Who said that?
Taquan.
Taekwon. You said how we supposed. Okay, so do you remember the file that I told you to download to your Pi?
No.
Mr.
Okay.
Tyler,
Yes.
I'm only on lab one.
You gonna get some water? Okay.
No, I said I'm only on lab one. I'm on my TV with it.
Oh, you on lab one? Okay. You getting it going, but you're using that on your Pi, right?
This is my TV.
Oh, I couldn't see that leak. Yeah. Okay, you got it. Okay. Um. So lab one is good, but the file that Carson's talking about, I want you guys to focus on and getting your kids to light up is bestiary. And I'm gonna send you that file again. I'm put it in
Wait,
Edsby.
I think I did download that.
You
No,
had
wait.
it light up.
Let me see.
So let me come over here to my other kit, to mine, and show you what I'm talking about. And Eli, I just
Miss
sent you.
Lane, Miss Lane had me doing some other stuff yesterday with the typing, the print, and the run. I was doing that yesterday. And I just like I don't know.
I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. She's taking you to the very, very, very high level
Right.
concept.
I see it.
I'm giving you the hands-on version, like direct up front and close. So there's a file bestiary, and you open up. I told you that it was a THONNY Python IDE. You remember that?
Heck on the dictionary I downloaded right here.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You got it. You got it. And then, is that the bestiary file?
Yes.
Run it. Did you run it?
No.
So
There you go.
there you go. We got error messages.
Yeah.
Oh, that means you typed something in there wrong.
I didn't even get a chance to type this up. I just downloaded and then I just not running it.
Right, I just downloaded it and then pressed wrong. What we do wrong?
So y'all got error messages?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Uh, you
I guess
okay?
because it say the words the Char Frankie Cody.
Uh-huh. All
Yeah.
right. So do me a favor, because you might not. It's real simple how to type a different key in there somewhere, and it tells you line by line. That's troubleshooting. We wouldn't get into that, but that's the fun part of coding. It tells you where your code went wrong. So Don't focus on that. I don't want you troubleshooting it. I want you to click on, what is it, load? Let me do this with you.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch screens, guys, so you can see what I'm doing over here. All right, so everybody should see what I'm doing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab my camera, and to be honest with you, this is my Thani, right? Same code. You want to go through line by line and make sure it's correct. Now, you might have left it running. You might have typed something here, and you do something. So, tell me something. Where does it say your line of code is wrong? It says line what? And I'm
I'm
just gonna
sorry.
send you another bestiary file too. You said what?
You was talking to me, or
Yes, I was talking to you. It says line error somewhere.
okay. I see this thing on the bottom and it say trace back most recent file last.
You said what?
What's it
It's,
called? Mm-hmm.
Who
it's
was that?
it's back, and then it got
I
quotation
got
and it said
Oh,
the
Carson, you.
quote,
I can't
and then
hear.
it said most
Mute
recent
yourself,
Okay,
Carson.
wait.
I was
So
trying to hear
file.
Alika.
Huh?
Was you talking to me, Alika, or was Carson talking?
Uh, I was talking to
Right.
no.
Okay. So, Carson, can you mute yourself for one moment? Because I'm trying to hear what she's saying. There you go. Now, what was you saying? I'm sorry. I was trying to hear you.
It say this. This the only error I see. I think
Was your error? I can't see your screen, dear.
it's right here. This right here.
Hold on. Let me switch so I can see what you're doing.
I did it over, but nothing happened.
Okay. I'm gonna send you one more file. Give me a second. I see it, Alika. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We'll troubleshoot it because I don't want y'all getting frustrated. I'm gonna send you the file again in SB. Okay.
Okay, so can I exit this one now? It's gonna ask me,
Yes.
do I want
Yes. Quit that one.
to? Okay, it's just exited because I think I already saved it.
Okay. That's fine. You might want to close it down and then start it back up just to be sure. Okay, so I'm
Wait,
gonna go to
Hmm.
say what?
the whole raspberry?
Go back to the Raspberry and start the Thani again.
Okay, so at the raspberry thing at the top, the programming.
Right, right. You got it. And then
Okay,
I'm gonna remove these two B straight files. Okay, everybody. Inside, I don't know if you see what I'm doing. Inside of it, you can't. Let me fix my screen. We're having fun here today, more than I expected. So I'm gonna remove these two files because you guys are telling me something's wrong with them, right? But I'm gonna replace them with two new files. So hello should be gone. Bestiary is gone. And go back to that same it says hello computer scientist. Go there because I'm putting two new files in there, everybody, that you can download straight to your Pi. Okay, so let me do this way. No confusion. Okay, I'm just gonna put bestiary in there for you guys. Take it slow. Now take that file and put it in there and let me know if you get errors again. Okay. And if you do get the errors, well, we're going to copy those links and we're going to troubleshoot them. So all I did is there should be one file in there that says bestiary, right? Carson, Malika, do you see it or no?
yeah. I'm sorry, I
Okay.
I'm
had.
trying to find it because I don't see the name under the file.
So you are in your computer science class
Mm-hmm.
and you
All I
see,
see is these videos.
no. Okay, so go to your library because I got to help you through it. All right, now you're in your library.
Mm-hmm.
And if you click on, what is it, yesterday's date, the 5th, right? You'll see not just the videos, you should see a bunch of files too, right?
Yeah, I see a bunch of files, but
Now, do you see the one that says bestiary?
no.
Okay.
Wait, there you go.
Okay. I'm going to say, wait a minute now. All right. So try that file out on your Pi, okay? Let me know if you get the same issues.
So is it the same BGRV that's on her, or you uploaded it on? Because I see it's still in the same order.
It looks the same, but try that out. Don't try the other one out. Make sure you close that other one out, Alika. Because if you opened it up, it still had the other bestiary file. I think it was you had one on there, and this one doesn't have a one there either.
This one got an arrow too.
Dang. So let me see what the errors are. We gotta talk it out because I didn't get an error at all. That means y'all got some updates y'all didn't do.
It's a cannot detect RPI since FB.
You didn't do your sense hat upgrades, did you?
I think I did.
And that means Alika didn't either. All right,
Uh,
so I'm going to give you the troubleshooting steps. You guys have to update your sense hat. You can't find it.
How do you update it? Because I remember
I'm
doing
not, I know I'm gonna give you the troubleshooting guide. Here we go.
I
So that's
thought
why I
I.
left this up here. Some students had that problem. I think Miss Kennard pointed that out. All right, so let me find it. So remember this I gave you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna take you here and put in the link. This is getting cool. You guys are getting closer and closer to finishing that. All right. So you see that link I put in there? You gonna click on it?
Oh, okay. I'm finna join class on my Raspberry Pi.
Okay.
So, link.
So Carson, did you get to that link?
Yeah, I'm signing in.
Okay.
Okay, now what we do next?
Okay. Now, do you have my screen like with the? No, I don't want this. That's the video. I'm talking about this, right? So, can you get to how to get help?
Hold on. Yeah, I'm here.
You got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Troubleshooting guide. You at this screen with me?
Yep.
Go all the way to the bottom. You see my add-on is not working. Have I connected it correctly?
Click it.
I'm looking at me.
And click on SenseHat and see if something's not done. Okay. So give that a try, you two. Y'all are so close. If you cannot detect it, the API is pretty much the AstroPi, which is the same as saying the SenseHat. That's why in Trinket it looks like this, right? Yeah. And this is getting back to what it's called actually in the space station, the International Space Station.
Got everything on my face.
I can hear you, but you muffled. I can hear you. You got it. You probably got to update your camera too. That troubleshooting guide. All right, I'm gonna put this link in the chat so you can see it, Alika.
I was
Huh?
just gonna ask, can you do that?
Oh, you getting better, huh? You said what?
I was just gonna ask you, can you do that?
Yeah, I know where you at. I got you. All right. There's a link again. It should pop up on your Pi, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So I told him to click on the what was it? The SenseHat, right? Or no, where you at? It says which link did I give you? Troubleshooting guide. Go to number 10. Or are you? Is it number 10? Okay. Yeah, I think I gave you this one. So you click on the SenseHat. If you can see my screen, and it, you scroll down, and it tells you what it does. That's great. You guys should know that by now. But then there is getting started with the SenseHat, right? And once you're in there, it should take you through how to get it going. So let me put this in here in case you guys can follow that process. Once you put it all together, I told you you have to update, you know, like if you have a keyboard that's connected to your laptop, you have a TV, there are many programs that are called drivers that get it to synchronize and work. The same thing is with the SenseHat, right? So it's an add-on, it's an accessory, so you have to install it. Once you do that, you should get some success like I have and other students have had. Everything has to be updated.
I'm not getting success.
You're getting frustrated. You got to take your time with it and make sure the SenseHat's working.
I don't even know what none of this is.
What are you talking about?
It say the gyroscope.
Okay, so show your
Magnum.
screen. You see you looking around too far. You getting lost because you're reading too much. Go to where you need help at. Now show your screen. I'm gonna turn that on so I can help you get to where you at. It should let you now though, right? Yeah. All right, go right ahead. You able to share? I probably gotta stop presenting. Huh?
You say I can't. I can't. I'm trying to share it on my Raspberry Pi.
Oh, you can't use your camera so I can see it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's VNC. I don't know if you're gonna get to that in quarter two. That's a lot for you guys to learn. So yeah, no, scroll down, Carson. That's just explaining it. We went through all that. So I tell you what, do you see in the chat there's a link that takes you further to where you should be at? That last link I gave. Does that help?
The introduction. Like, what is this? What do this even mean?
You're reading it. How you gonna say what does it even mean? And you reading it?
I'm reading, but like, I don't know. I don't know what none of this is.
Okay. Well, that's where we take up some research and understand it. So let me help you out. Do you see my screen? No, you don't.
No.
You
Wait.
sound like you
Yeah.
get frustrated. Hold on a second. Entire screen. All right. So maybe because you click through the steps and you read through, but you find what you need. And I helped you out. So I went through the introduction, scrolled all the way down, and what you need. You see this? Let me put that in the chat for you. It's just the next step.
Okay. Yeah. I see.
Hmm. Take your time, chew on it. Don't do that. What does it mean? Because you're gonna have to learn what it is in order to
Let
know
me
what it
see.
means. So you see the commands they want you to go through to try to get it going.
Yeah.
Go through that.
Do I need to install something?
Well, your Synsat's not working, so I would do all three commands if I were you. So I think the first one is what? First one is if you click on this, if you can see my screen, the commands are what?
Wait. Which one?
Sudo, huh?
Install.
Well, not just install.
It's,
Sudo. You see what I got here?
yeah. Open the
You find
terminal.
you
Oh,
update first, upgrade, then the Synsat part. Okay.
wait.
You want to do these parts first. You might have skipped this because it was hidden inside of here.
Am I typing this?
Well, you got to slow down and read it, Carson. What does it tell you to do right here?
It say your Raspberry Pi will need.
Oh, on my screen.
Oh. Open the terminal window and enter the follow commands.
Do you know where the terminal is?
Yeah, I got it open.
Okay, so get to typing.
That's why I was making sure I already typing.
Oh, okay.
Stop
So like,
grabbing.
am I
Huh?
deleting what's already right here?
Are you deleting what?
What's already right here?
What do you mean? What's already right here?
It's something already right here.
Okay, I don't understand what you mean.
Like it's some words right here already.
Why don't you tell me what the words are? Why are you
It
so
say,
frustrated?
cause it say
Dude,
Pi
you're
at
frustrating
Raspberry.
yourself. I'm gonna be honest with you. Come on.
It say Pi at Raspberry Pi. Some other stuff.
Okay, so use your camera so I can see what you're doing.
Look,
You're at terminal. Okay, so if you have text there, just backspace because it's not gonna let you backspace too much.
I can't backspace at all.
Okay, then that means what's there should be there. So the next step is type.
Well, I pressed enter and it did too.
You did what?
I pressed enter and it did it twice.
Okay, so you did the command twice.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you type the other commands?
Wait. Okay. Let's say type.
Mr.
So I'm gonna show
Tyler,
the screen again. Yes, ma'am.
what screen we going on now?
So I had to pull him. I had to pull him to the step. So we're right here. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Now, do you know where terminal is?
No, look. So you
Okay,
finna get
so
on.
So there you go. I gave you a link to where I'm at. And inside install software package, the first command is sudo. Maybe I could put this in the chat for you guys. So you do the first two commands, but you got to open up terminal for first so you can type it in.
Stop. Ain't nothing
So
up
those
there
are the
for
two
you.
commands, and then the last one is install, I think, right? I just put them in the chat for you all.
Mm.
It
So once
said
you get
command
everything,
not found.
you said what?
It said command not found.
What command?
The the pseudo apt GT update.
Can you hold your niece?
Okay, did you type it the way like I have in the chat there?
You need help on the cam? I can
You
hold
actually can copy
Yes.
it over. Okay.
your taking this stuff.
So
No.
what's
I
the next one?
Look, you're ready.
copy it. I'm trying to copy it.
Okay.
She's just got her stuff. I'll get her for a minute. You just be leaving today. If you tell me to stay, I'll stay. Okay? You'll stay.
That's the last command. Still got it not found?
Hold up.
Mm, 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 mm. That means I'm gonna have to get VNC going for you guys faster, so I can log into this.
I can't even copy and paste.
Well, hey, some things are old school, so you better just take your time and type it back in.
S
Let's see here.
U D O. Why it come in as so many different numbers and stuff?
What are you
I'll
talking about?
push you.
Like when I type in SUDO, it pop up
Mhm.
like SUDO. Then it pop up as S4D6. Like what? Yeah.
Oh, that's probably your keyboard then. Did you set your keyboard up as English?
Yes.
You might want to check because your keyboard's typing in something different. So if you open up a Google Doc and you type it in, all the letters match.
What you mean all the letters match? Yes.
So A, what is going on? Like, you having a bad day over there
Cause I don't know what this stuff doing.
because you need to
Why
slow
is my
down.
stuff popping up as
So something changed.
yes it did? And
Okay,
why?
so fix it, dude. What?
All my stuff popping up as numbers.
So yeah, so reboot your computer. Try to work on it. Get up, stretch, go get you some water. It is 9:45, dude. You frustrated. I don't even know why. um, I gotta check on some students though. You gotta figure it out, but getting frustrated is not gonna help you. So Eli, Alika, are y'all there? Because I'm trying to get in class mode.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how far did you get with your kit? Oh, he's in the
I'm
camp.
Um,
good.
Oh, he's got it together. Okay. He's almost. Okay, Eli, you gotta connect the rest of it. So you connect to your TV, or what did you do?
no, I'm gonna connect to my TV when I pull it all together. That's gonna be my last step.
Oh yeah. Make sure when you put the last parts in, Eli, you don't
I
have
know
it
he told me
plugged
not
up.
to bend these. It's very
Yes,
complicated.
that. Did you get my PDF on that?
Yeah, I'm watching a video. Yeah, it's on my phone. I'm watching it
Good.
from my phone.
It, that long black piece, that's
This
in
one,
that PDF. No, Eli, the one that goes over those pins. You
this
know what
one.
I'm talking about? Yeah. That goes. You got to use the instructions to make it go. All
I
right.
should use this one right here.
No, sir. No, sir.
This what
All right. So
came with this right here
right. So you see those pins? They go underneath the sense hat.
underneath this.
That's not the sense hat. That's the cable for the sense hat. So underneath it though. So let me send you the PDF because I think you might not have saw that. I gotta find it now.
Are we talking about the PDF on ASB
I think so, but it's one.
or about the video on how to make it?
It's
Hell.
Can you put the links in the chat again?
So it's gone.
You just left, bro.
My bad. All right, so that I was trying to get his PDF for him. I heard you, Carson. I didn't just left. I had two TVs going, dude. Come on now. All right. So this is the link in case you forgot, right? To connect it, Eli. You got that? Oh no,
Uh-huh.
that's the Synsat link. What the heck? Okay, hold on. Let me grab the PDF link. There we go.
Oh
What's wrong?
no, wait, do they go on the hill with these little poke thing?
All right, so there you go. That's the PDF that'll help you out, show you how to put it on there correctly, and then you connect it up. But once you connect it, you got to do what not Eli, I'm sorry, Mr. Carson has to do, and what Alika has to do, which is upgrade the Synsat
Can you put
before
those
it can pro.
back in the chat?
Put the what?
Those links.
Sure. So the one that you was looking at, let me see here. That's branching. That's something else. This one. And let's grab this.
Nola, I'm finna knock you out.
Please don't knock nobody out. Oh, let's see. There you go. That link is the one. And instead of all the links, I just gave you the link where the coding is. Now, the troubleshooting guide is this one. Okay. That's the wonderful thing about recordings. I know all of the chat transcripts are going to show those links again anyway. And y'all have access to that too. All right. So we're coming close to the end. If I were you, I would go through those updates. If you're having issues with your keyboard, check your languages, reboot it. Biggest thing, does everybody know how to reboot their systems correctly? Are you just unplugging it?
It's working.
Oh, now it's working?
Yeah, get
What
install.
what
Wait,
happened? What did you do?
do I press enter?
Yeah, but okay, so I was curious what you did, but yeah, hit enter if you
I
got it.
rebooted it.
Oh, and it started working better?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god.
what's wrong now?
Cause I'm trying to reset the screen so I can see the words.
Okay. Seem like you're making progress. I'm not sure, but okay.
Okay. SUDO. Okay. Do I
So
press
Tyler,
enter?
this piece right here go in this piece?
Let me see, Eli. No, no, the piece is that's not underneath.
It's not. I thought he
No, no,
said they should look
look at
like this.
no, Eli, that goes underneath. The that black piece. Try to
It
pull
go
it out
I ain't
without
never.
under.
breaking it, huh?
It go under.
Yes, Eli. Okay, let me show you the link I was showing you.
I
So you
see the
see
link. It
that?
was like online with pictures and steps.
No, not that. Okay, not that, Eli. The
That's what
other
I
link.
had got.
No, no. Okay, so let me show you.
Bam.
So the first link at
Dun, dun, dun,
947.
dun.
Oh,
You
the
see
first one.
this? You see this one?
Yeah, I'm finna click it.
You see how it's underneath though? Do you see my screen or no?
No, I can't see your screen. I see you. No, I can't see your screen.
Okay, let me present. I'm sorry. All right. You should see something now because you're so close. Okay, so you should see it, right?
No, I see you.
Right. But you see this.
Yeah.
And you see how they did it. So once you do that, then you're going to plug it into that cable like that. Okay?
Okay. It look like
All right.
it's backwards.
So I'm gonna put well, it looks backwards, but it's that way because that's the way they designed it. I don't know what to tell you, but let me grab you this and put the link in there one more time so you can have that for your own reference. That's the correct one. The troubleshooting guide is when you finally get to the point where you're ready to update. Like I was telling Carson and Alika, your Sense app because it has to be updated and installed and stuff
Okay.
before it works.
I don't
Huh?
know what it's doing, but it's doing a lot.
What are you talking about now?
Look.
I can't see nothing. Okay, is it done though? The last line of code, what does it say?
The last line just popped up.
Okay, so it's done. It's updating, man.
So
You're
wait, do I
panicking.
type this last one?
Yes, yes. You have to type
The
all
S,
three codes.
the install one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, SUDOAPT.
I hope you're doing this one too, Alika. He's getting through some.
No, I'm just completely
Inst-
lost.
You might have to call him and have him walk you through that because we it's 9:52.
Oh,
You
wow.
so close. Now, once you're done, Carson, don't think you're at the finish line. You know, most computers, when you install stuff, you got to reboot and then try out that code again and see if you get some success. When you turn your computer on, your Raspberry on, it does flash on at least. Or does it flash when you turn it on once, you guys? Okay, they're busy. All right. Let's see who's in the room still. Take the
Okay,
final
wait.
call. Wait, what?
It
What
say
happened?
it says zero upgrade, zero newly installed, zero to move, and one
Okay.
upgraded.
Okay, cool. So now you might want to try to you
Oh
can
no.
try it. Huh?
I got to type the install since that part.
Oh, okay. You my son told me you got to go through all three of those, Dad. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, mine not working. I'm doing the same thing he did to me to y'all. Like it's not working. How he do that? He told me you gotta slow down and read it. All right. So looks like somebody left. Mm. No. Okay. It just changed views. Okay. Now
I
what may
think Mel-
do? Huh?
I think Melody left. I think she was
You say you think yours is what?
nothing.
Oh. Okay.
I know you ain't spitting.
Okay. So let's see here. Eli, you quiet over there. How's it going? Did that
So
help
look,
you?
it say after I
Oh.
type the wait, what is this? Um wait. I typed everything, but
Mm.
it still say one not upgraded.
Okay. Well, don't focus on it too much. You did all three commands though, right?
Yeah.
Try to reboot and see if you have some success.
So just reboot.
Hmm. You did all three commands. Now reboot and see if you can get the sense hat to work.
Mr. Tyler, when you made your thing right up, it didn't take you long.
Like I just said, it took me a little bit, yeah, because I skipped that part, and I was guilty of it. I told students to follow every step, and I didn't do that part. And for about I want to say 2 days, I was playing with it, and I got it. I had to sit down and be patient with it. That's all I had to do. But to be honest with you, a lot of students are getting it to work. So we just got to figure out what either is not installed in your system, or you might have skipped something. I mean, it
Okay,
happens
so
to us
what I
all.
do now?
What happened now?
I rebooted. What I do now?
Try to run that file.
Okay,
See if it recognizes the sense maybe.
wait, where we went to? Oh, the Dino.
Dano. Yeah, you go to the Raspberry
Donnie,
Hip
Donnie.
program. Donnie, there's two N's, man. That's why I said Donnie. But you go there from programming and try to run that bestiary file. See if you get the same error messages. And if not, we're gonna work on it tomorrow.
Yep, nothing changed.
Okay. So we got to see if one, something's probably wrong with your sense hat. Maybe it's not seated correctly. Check your cabling, and just keep playing with it to see if you can get it going.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, but it's 9:56. And what Carson? What I want you to do is send me those error messages if you can. Copy them to a document and send them to me so I can do some research on what's wrong, what might be wrong. Because it's line by line of your code. It
I
tells you
got it
what's wrong.
in, but I ain't finished.
Oh, okay, yeah. Now, like I was telling them, make sure everything is seated correctly. Like your cables pushed all the way in. Those little things can mess up your coding. Is the cable pushed all the way in? Not don't force it in. Don't break nothing. What about your sense hat? Is it fully connected? Are you pressed all the way down and it's like in place?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So you
Okay.
guys so far, Eli, I would put that somewhere until you're ready to use it later. You're gonna be with me next period anyway, so you'll have a
Can you
chance
open
to.
the chat right quick so I can see if it's in?
Yes, I can. Okay, one second. Oh, you gonna put it in the chat? That was smart. It should be open now. You got it.
No, it says not open.
I just opened it. Okay, there you go. How about now?
Yeah.
And your camera. Yeah.
You putting all of it in there, or just that part? Let's
That's
see.
what it say.
That's because you're running. Oh goodness, you're still running the same program, dude.
No, I'm not. That's the one you just.
No, it's not. Look at what the file says there, Carson. It says bestiary parentheses one.
Okay.
That's not the same file I gave you. Mine's just bestiary.
All right, let me check that.
Yeah, dude. You just getting frustrated. You might need to just take a break, come back to it with a clear head, and you'll be all right. You
All right,
frustrated.
do that. Okay.
Okay. So try like I said, try to take your time with it. Make sure you're putting the right files in there. If you don't, you'll have glitches. But class is pretty much over. I want y'all to get a little bit of time to get yourself reset for period 2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll see y'all later.
All right.
All right. I'll see you next period. All right.
I'm still connected
Yeah,
to
you
you.
won't be doing it next period. So you got time to catch up, fam.
All right.
All right. See you next period. Okay. Let me close this up.